G'day humanoid life forms, Chewy here. Sick as a dog. I'm sick of feeling sick. Had a gig yesterday, was meant to do 12 to 4. The venue asked us to have a break at 3 o'clock and continue from 4:30 until 6:30. Making it a 5-set gig on the back of a double header already. It's Monday morning. Since Friday afternoon I've sung, I don't know, 110 songs or something. That's the life of a musician. I've worked the last 14 days straight and I've got a 5-day week ahead of me now. Until Sunday actually I get a day off doing anything. But I'm playing lawn bowls and that's okay. I like lawn bowls. So by the end of it all, it'll be 20 days straight without a day off work. No wonder I'm getting sick. Yesterday's gig was pretty cool. BlackBear BBQ at Moore Park Entertainment Quarter in Sydney. Oh, the best barbecue. Their food is amazing. So a big shout out to BlackBear BBQ. Thanks for booking us. I'll put a few shots in now.
People say no. I know the answer now. I'm being said I get nowhere. People crying, people dying. I'm being low. I know the time to say, time will be alive in the day. I know the time.
Alright, back. Still at the same set of lights. Just going to work, as we always do on a Monday morning. Not so bad. Could be a whole lot worse. At least I don't have to find food out of a garbage bin, beg, borrow, steal. Pretty damn lucky to live in this place in this time actually. Be afforded the life of luxury that we actually have. I try and do the right thing, not overtake on the right so that I don't have to pull up short when I turn left up here, but man, people, just be positive, be positive. Don't be negative, don't be negative. Nobody wants negativity in their life. We all need more positivity. What a beautiful, glorious day it is today. It's nearing the end of November and we've had a really mild couple of weeks since that really hot day we had. Today it's fresh and cool and beautiful this morning. I bet it gets hot this afternoon, but that's okay. Feeling a little bit out of sorts today actually. Even the bike sounds different. Maybe it's because my head's all blocked up. Oh, look at all these guys on bikes. What are they guys up to? One day I'll be on a cruiser. Not yet. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. This is Hatsui signing out for another day. Until next time, as always, be good to each other. Peace.